Question number 37. Two statements S1 and S2 are given below, followed by a question. Statement 1. There are not more than two figures on any page of a 51-page book. Statement 2. There is at least one figure on every page. Question. Are there more than 100 figures in that book? Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements and question? So here we have to see which all statements are required to answer this question. Are there more than 100 figures in that book? So let us see the first statement. There are not more than two figures on any page of a 51-page book. That means maximum number of figures in any page of that book equal to 2. Then there can be one figure page also, 0 figure page also. If there are two figures in each page, then maximum possible equal to 102. If there are some pages, if all pages have only one figure, then maximum possible figures equal to 51 into 1, 51. So we cannot say there are more than 100 figures in that book. Any value less than 102 is possible. Now let us see the second statement. There is at least one figure on every page. That means at least one figure. There can be two figure also in each page. If there are one figure in each page, then maximum possible number of pages equal to, in that book equal to 1 into 51, 51. If there are two figures in each page, then maximum possible equal to 102. So we cannot say how many pages are there, how many figures are there in that book by using any of this statement. So our answer is S1 and S2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. Option C.